How to fix Cash App won't let me request the money. So the very first thing you do, make sure that the server of your application Cash App is stable enough. Now the other thing you want to do is to head over to your application Cash App and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Move into your profile at the top right corner. Head over to support. In this page it says how can we help you. You have to click on something else, and the representative of Cash App support will appear. You need to explain the problem that you have been facing on the application Cash App, and within 24 hours, they will definitely come up with some solution for you. Once it is done, the next thing you also need to make sure that your application is up to date. If not, you need to update it to the latest version. Well, most of the time, updating the application has fixed the issue, so it might also fix the issue that you have been facing. But if it doesn't work and you are still facing the issue, then what you want to do is head over to the settings of your device. Move into General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Here, search for the application Cash App and then head over to it. Once you are in here, what you want to do is tap on Offload App. Once again, you have to click on Offload App. Well, it means clearing the cache and the storage of this application. Clearing the cache and storage will remove all the unwanted bugs, and it will make your application run smoothly. The last thing you can also try doing is uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the application will definitely fix the issue, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix Cash App won't let me request the money. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.